with me. XOXO, Gossip Girl.
The show that I chose to make a pedigree out of is Gossip Girl. We are going to be looking at Serena's family, who's one of the main characters. As you can see, one man had children with two women that were sisters, which makes this pedigree unusual. The trait we are going to be looking at is blonde hair. 4 individuals within this family have blonde hair. Here is a pedigree created from all of the individuals in Serena's family. Those filled in with pink have the blonde hair trait. Every individual in each generation is assigned a number, and the generations are labeled with Roman numerals. The first mode of inheritance I evaluated is X-linked dominant. The blonde hair trait is represented by a capital B. It cannot be represented by an X-linked dominant mode of inheritance. I made a Punnett square between Carol and William, and it showed that all of their offspring must be dark-haired, and Charlotte is not. Next, I evaluated the X-linked recessive mode of inheritance where the blonde hair trait is represented by a lowercase d. It cannot represent the blonde hair trait as shown by William and Lily. If you look at the Punnett square to the right, you can see their children must either be dark-haired females or blonde males. Neither Eric nor Serena follow this pattern. The blonde hair trait is also inconsistent with the autosomal dominant mode of inheritance. The blonde hair trait is represented by a capital B in this case. Shown by the Punnett square between Carol and William, all of their offspring must have the genotype little b, meaning they must have dark hair, which Charlotte does not. The blonde hair trait is consistent with the autosomal recessive mode of inheritance. In this case, it's represented by a lowercase d. Last but not least, I evaluated the blonde hair trait as Y-linked. If a trait is Y-linked, only males will present with it. Since CC has blonde hair, it cannot be a Y-linked mode of inheritance. Thanks for watching. XOXO, Gossip Girl. All of the information used to create this video is found in the Module 1 lecture slides of this class. The photographs used in the beginning of the video are cited here, and the drawings were created by myself.